like to fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby?
Okay, so we're gonna do a nighttime skincare routine. I am going to be trying out some of my new products so I can see, you know what I'm saying, whatever. But I did want to tell y'all I used this Plump hyaluronic cream and I like it. It does provide a lot of moisture. It's so weird that it provides this much moisture, and it is for combination oily skin, because normally when it's for like combination oily skin, like it's normally like not as moisturizing, if that makes sense. So but this may just be something that I use at night, but it is very dewy, very moisturizing, honey. When I tell you I was glowing the day I wore it at work, I was glowing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wash my face. Go ahead and put our spa band on. Yes, we don't need that messing up our edges. Okay, so I'm going to moisturize or with my face. Oh, this water gets hot, okay? So I've been using the Roche-Posay normal to oily skin purifying foaming cleanser. Look how much I've already used, y'all. Crazy. I didn't realize I had used it because I have it in a drawer and I just pump it when I am ready. I've been using this morning and night. And I normally just take 2 pumps of it. 1 pump is enough. So I take that. I add a little water to my hand. And I just add it to my face. I'm gonna move this back because I need to get everything. And I love the way it foams up. Do you see that? It literally. I'm gonna take my Summer Raye Refresher and just wet it. And I like to use the white one to do the cleansing on my face. And I use like the black one and the pink one when I'm removing my makeup. Okay, next I'm going to exfoliate. To exfoliate, I'm going to use this TULA So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Scrub. I'm going to use that to scrub away the dead skin, honey. That's what that looks like. And it doesn't have to be. I like for my face to be a little wet, so I just add a little water to it as I'm scrubbing. Put it on my face. Make sure you get around that nose because you don't want to have dead skin cells hanging all off your nose. I see it all the time. You want to make sure you do this at least twice a week. 3 times if you got scaly skin. And these, the exfoliating beads in this particular exfoliator are so tiny and so small. They're not harsh at all. Because I've come across some that are really, really harsh. And this one isn't harsh at all. This thing is getting my skin squeaky clean. And then I'm going to go on I'm gonna tone using this Cactus water toner. This is a cleansing lactic acid toner. And if your face is still dirty, or if it has makeup on it still, or those little tiny dots are on it still, this is gonna get it off. So before we do the Plump moisturizer, we're gonna use this serum that I picked up. This was in my Sephora order that I got after I did the video. But this is the Herbivore Prism, AHA and BHA glowing serum, or glow serum, not glowing serum. But I'm going to use some of this and let it sit in. Look how cute this is, y'all. want glow. I just want healthy skin, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's literally what I want. But let's go on top of that with the Plump moisturizer by Glow Recipe. This is what it looks like. It look moisturizing. Look at it. Like, super creamy. I'm gonna take some. You want to like lift your face up. You want to like lift everything up. You don't want to do that. Don't drag it down. Lift, lift, lift. We don't want saggy jaws. We don't want saggy jaws, okay? Y'all, look at that glow. Do you see? It's the glow for me. It's the glow for me. To finish off this nighttime skincare routine, I am going to be using one of my favorite lip masks or lip treatment masks. This is from LANEIGE. And as you can see, honey, we uses this, okay? It has a one applicator that is in the cap, which I rarely use. I rarely use it, but we're gonna use it today. But I hope y'all enjoyed this nighttime skincare routine. I want to try some of that new stuff because I actually have been, you know, using it for maybe like a day or two, to be honest with you. But I'm liking the products I got so far. But there's a glow there, sis. Tomorrow is a busy day for me, but I'll check in with y'all tomorrow.